official launch of the Mambapa TV series. We are live here in the center of Accra's business district. We are in Tudu. We are promoting patriotism. We are promoting love of Ghana, love of country, love of Africa. It's the 4th of October. You've seen the trailers. You've seen the videos. It's here today. It's the launch of the Mambapa TV series. We have our fabulous youth here with us. They have volunteered to come out and educate the public on patriotism, on the need to be a loving citizen of Ghana, on the need to be an upright citizen. They have volunteered here in Accra. The premiere is happening live inside the Accra Metropolitan Assembly in the Accra Town Hall at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. today we are launching and we are going live. We have an exciting lineup of activities waiting for you.
Start the lineup, exciting lineup, and then you start from all the things good and action.
We have an exciting lineup of activities for you here today. We have a human billboards. They're going to be out in town. They're going to be educating the public at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. today inside Tudu. They're going to have a very special performance. Very special. You need to tune in at Kente TV on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube. Hashtag on Mambapa TV. They're going to be waiting for you. You don't want to miss this. Be here. If your time is going to be here, Ajete is going to be here, Akwaka Patri is going to be here. You don't want to miss this. It's inside the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, 6 p.m. Snap Cinemas.
When you come back to announce the thing, come with me, I'll show you. Okay. So when I said, actually, say that now tell you, right here, this is where it's going to be. The City Hall, Snap Cinema, AMA headquarters. Come with me, I'll show you. Then we can say cut if it doesn't matter. Then we'll go there and start again. That's the live stream. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Is it live?
When you go like this, that's why I'm taking. That's good. I'll go to location. Are you ready?
It's 6 p.m. inside the Accra Metropolitan Assembly headquarters inside Accra Tudu. We are going to be at the Snap Cinemas with a JT Adam, with Mickey Sandberg, with a and a host of other stars. Follow us on Kente TV. Come with me, we'll go inside, we'll take a look at the venue. There's going to be an exhibition, an exciting lineup of activities. You don't want to miss this. This is Hajia, by the way. She's one of our volunteers. And she was scrambling for this particular one. It says City Clean to protect our environment for the future of Ghana needs us. Come with me, we'll go inside the Accra Metropolitan Assembly. You want to see the exciting lineup of activities we have for you. Very, very. Come with me, we'll take a look.
Now they say they need it there, so go.
You need to explain to him that it's live, so he can't be speaking again.
Yeah, he was asking me whether on KTC. Let me even stop.